gonna teach you a formula that you've never heard before. At least you've never heard this one, but maybe you've heard. The formula is equals to round 5, close the bracket, enter. So let me show you the formula again. This is the formula. Is equals to round. This is a formula instructing the computer to insert 5 paragraphs of random text, sample text. Yeah. If I press enter, then let me reduce the font size to something like that. This is still, yeah, still a little bit big. So this is our text, 5 paragraphs. Let me say about the insert tab. I want to give it the title about the insert tab. Let me say Microsoft Word insert tab. All right. So I want to make this bold, a little bit thick, so that it looks like a title. So that's the work of B here, bold. B for bold, I for italics, slanting the text to create an emphasis, and then U for underline. And I can take this, highlight like that. How you do the highlighting is clicking here and holding as you go to the destination of your highlighting. You look at the beginning and the end, so you click and pull like that. Very simple. And then increase the text like that, or you can just click this chevron. It's called a chevron, and then go down to 2420 as you look to see the size that you want. And then you can click here and choose Segoy or Segoy, for example. You can change the color here. Very simple. Let's make it something like purple, for example. We can increase the size again or reduce, change to another text style here, and on you go. Yeah, you can align left, center, right, and then justified. So in left, you can see the margins on the left are the same, but that's not the case for the right margins. All right, because this margin here is smaller than this one here. Yeah, or rather it's bigger than this one here. This one here is smaller. So if you look at the margin from here to here, yeah, let me show you using this arrow. If you look at the margin from here to here, right, I'm gonna make it black and a little bit thick so that you see that closely very well. You see this margin here is different from this one here. Look at that. Yeah, from the end to the, yeah, that's the difference between left alignment to the justified. You see justified, they're almost the same. They're actually the same. Yeah, very, very equal. Yeah, so what happens in align justified is that the Microsoft Word tries to increase the spaces between the letters, not the letters but the words, so that it can achieve the same margin size for both left and the right margin. Yeah, and then align center is just this one here. Align left is this, align right is that. Align center, and then align left. By default, the alignment is always align left. Yeah, so that is how you manipulate your text in your Microsoft Word. Yeah, highlight, and then choose what you want to do. If you want to change to uppercase, all capitals, you just do that. All small letters, that one. All sentence case, yeah, sentence case means A sentence begins with a capital, ends with a full stop, and then the next letter is a capital because the end of the sentence is the beginning of another one. Very, very amazing. Yeah, so that's how you manipulate text. You just highlight, increase your size, come here, change to the text style that you want. You get Kandara, and then change the color to something that you want. And remember, when you're doing that, the bright colors go with the dark colors, and the dark colors go with the bright colors. Yeah. So a dark color, for example, if I change the page color, page layout, and then page color to black, I will not write with purple because purple is also a dark color. I'm going to change that to something like light green, yellow, orange. Yeah, this is dark yellow, and orange is here. Yeah, something like that. A dark color goes with a bright color, and etc and etc. So that is how you play around with your text. I can come down here and say types of fruits. You can't see that because I'm writing with black. So highlight, and the text is very small actually. Types of fruits, and then I can say bananas, oranges, mangoes, and then what else? Pineapples. What else? Apples, etc etc. So I can highlight like this and put a bullet like that, and yeah, that's just manipulating text. I can take this last paragraph and make it to slant. Yeah, manipulating text in Microsoft Word. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I love you so much. One love.